Hi, my name is Sergei. I'm a sales associate and I've been here in Briarwood Ford about 2 months. I wasn't a hockey player for a long time, and I drive a lot of cars, and really it's two things I really kind of like in life. It's basically sports and hockey and cars. When I retire from professional hockey, I decided to become a professional salesman, car salesman. So that's what I like to do. I like to talk to people, even if I can't speak very well English, but I like to meet new friends and new people. When people sit in front of you, it makes me feel good. It's why I'm in this business. I was drafted by Winnipeg Jets in Canadian the National Hockey League. That's my first time in North America. Then I can't find a job in the National Hockey League anymore, and I signed a contract with Cincinnati Cyclones, who was International Hockey League. And since 1992, we were in the United States till now, so it's been more than 30 years. First time I stepped my foot at this dealership, we kind of look around, and everybody asked me how am I doing and stuff like that. People around me, like sales people and management, everybody seems very friendly. My name is Sergei, and I'm really happy to be here. And if you're looking for a new or used vehicle, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will help you as much as I can. Best deal in the state of Michigan are at the corner of State and Michigan.